Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I decorate my house on a budget using mostly some materials from the Dollar Tree. So for the first craft, I just had this mason jar left over from a craft last year, and I got this candlestick holder from the Dollar Tree, and then I needed some glue sticks for my glue gun, obviously. I had that warming up, and then I just used some ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And then this red ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree. I've been looking for that buffalo check ribbon at Dollar General, but I cannot find it. And then I just used one of these LED pillar candles, I think they're what they're called, from Dollar Tree, and of course you'll need some scissors. So first you just measure out the appropriate length of the ribbon and you just hot glue that right onto the candle, and it doesn't harm it at all, it's just a little bit of hot glue. And then you do the same thing with the burlap ribbon, of course. For this step, I would suggest using glass glue. That would help it stick much better. But since I'm putting this way up high where Leo can't knock it down, I'm just using a little bit of glue from the glue gun. Then you're gonna flip the glass jar upside down and place the candlestick holder right in the center of the bottom and press firmly so that it sticks real well. Then once you get that dried, you just firmly place the candle in there, and it was a little tight fit, but I got it to fit. Now I just place this next to a couple of my other DIYs. This red truck sign I just got as a box from the Dollar Tree and set it up on a little easel, and the tree was a DIY I filmed in an earlier DIY video. For the next craft, I just got these gift boxes from the Dollar Tree. This one is red and white, and they're the lids for the gift boxes. And I got this one that says ho ho ho, and it has a cute little plaid pattern on the sides. And then I just glued down the flaps with some hot glue to make it more straight and more firm. And as you can see, it's standing up on its own now. And then I just hung this up in my bathroom with a simple command hook or a nail. And I hung one up in my living room just to give that corner a little more color. And it matches really well with the Christmas tree, as you can see. And that was it. And then this is just one little tip I found. I got this red ribbon at the Dollar Tree and just tied it to the rooster I already had in my kitchen just to give the center corner a little more color of red. As you can see, it pulled together very nicely and it looks very cute and very farmhouse. So that was it for my Dollar Tree DIYs this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe gave you a little motivation, a little inspiration on how to just decorate with simple things around your house from the Dollar Tree, and it'll give your house that special color and special look this holiday season. So please like this video and please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!